Alright guys, just got in my package from Challenger Doors. Do a little unboxing here. Let's see what our packing slip says here. Cool, got our packing slip. This is the price, I forget what I paid exactly. See how this came via UPS. It took like 2 weeks after I ordered it. It showed up. Today is the 26th, and they told me they would have it done by the 23rd and get it shipped out to me. They did that. This is pretty nice. It's got wood frame on the packaging. Piece of wood here on top, and it looks like that's what's on the bottom too. So they made a little crate. This out. Alright, got keys zip tied to the doors. Locks. Alright, I think. Alright, shrink wrap them together, or not shrink wrap, but plastic wrap them together. So we got here, got our drip tray. I think maybe it's just a trim ring. Oh no, this is the trim ring. Together, it's cool. Black interior on this, and boom, I went with the milled exterior. That looks fantastic. Alright, and then we got a right this will be for that side of the trailer, and this one will be for this side of the trailer. Man, it looks great. These look good. Alright, let's check these out. So we got our pair of windows. Got a window lock here. Lifts up in place. That's cool. A nice screen here. Let's see, is this locked? Yes, that was locked. Yep. Probably shouldn't do that with the frame off. But you know, gotta do stupid stuff. Alright, well that looks great. Pretty happy with this. Can't wait to get further onto this build. Box there. Perfect. Well guys, that is the door. This is my Challenger Doors 805 series. Let's see, I think they put the tags on them. Yeah, they sure do. There on the door frame, they put on tag here with what it is. This is the 805 entry left hand 26 by 32. Obviously, and I put my name on it too. That's kind of cool. Anyways, mill finish. I like it.